Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about recovering unsaved Microsoft Word documents. Now, there is no guarantee that the documents have been saved, however, there is a chance, and that's what we're going to show in today's tutorial here. So you want to select the File tab, and then select the Control and O key combination on your keyboard at the same time, so tap Control and O. And then there should be a Recover Unsaved Documents button down here. Go ahead and select that. And now there should be a list of unsaved files in here. If there are any, you go ahead and just select it and then open it. And then I recommend saving the file somewhere else, just so you make sure you have it at that point. So again, not guaranteed to work for everybody, but it's definitely worth a shot. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.